To know what we discussed in the sense, we completed, what is argument, or agree with me? The argument, attribute, meta argument, provider, instant alarm, resource. These words, what is argument, what is attribute, what is meta argument, what is provider, what is resource. For example, you want to know argument. You may ask me, how can I recognize arguments? See, provider. After that, you're giving provider name that AWS. After that, whatever you're writing here, region, right? Region. REGI. But this is nothing but argument. Is equal to this is the value or expression. Value or expression. Generally, what is the value we are providing? AP, AP, maybe south like that. See, this is the value. This is the value. You may ask me, how do I represent attribute? See, I am going to apply assume. Here I am writing VPC underscore ID is equal to see double quotation AWS underscore VPC dot local name dot ID. This is nothing but attribute. This is nothing but attribute. You may ask me what is meta argument? See, we use multiple meta arguments. One meta is count, COUNT. Second one is life cycle. Life cycle. Third one is ALIAS, alias. In the same way, what we use to set there for each we use right for each we use for each like that. These are the different meta arguments we already applied uh, on our. Is it clear for you? Yes or no? These are the meta arguments. This is the argument. This is the this is the value or expression. This is nothing but attribute. This is nothing but provider block. Provider block. In the same way, we know resource block. We know resource block. Whenever you use resource block, resource type, resource RESOURC, resource type, then we go for the local, local. In this way, we can represent. Today, we are going to understand what is the difference between plan and apply. Based on that, what is the difference between plan and apply? And apply. Whenever if you apply, what it may create terraform dot tf state file. State file. Once state file got created, this is nothing but actual. Actual. Whenever state file got created, it is considering that is the Terraform state file is the backup file for an actual resources created by the cloud by the whatever the cloud having for those cloud resources. This is the Terraform backup file. Quickly, I may go with and what are the different commands regarding Terraform. Main intention is Terraform state, Terraform state. After that, sub commands. Sub I may show you practically, you may understand quickly. Now, for your clarity, what I am trying to do is I am going to there I may create one folder. CD Madhu, there MD Madhu, MADHU. Now CD Madhu, good. Now here is Notepad, Notepad provider, provider dot df. You know it, you know this. In provider.df, what I am trying to write is provider, that is that AWS, there you are writing only one line, right? What is the right line? REJO, region. What is the region? AP South. Are you agree with me? Is there any difficulty in this provider? No, right? Srinath, got the clarity? There is no need to write other things. Even profile is also optional. Profile is also optional. PRO, F5, F. Profile is equal to default. Default. Am I audible?
Yeah, audible, audible.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, what is the second one? Notepad. Notepad. I'm trying to create a schema. bpc.f. Maybe I'm creating clean separation of code. Clean separation. See, if you construct an house, generally some partitions, divisions may be there, right? Maybe hall, maybe bedroom, maybe what about kitchen, like that, maybe restroom, maybe one temple room, like that, we are divided. VPC.tf. See, in VPC, I think someone is trying to enter. Quickly guide me how to create VPC. Kishore, you tell me, Kishore. You know little bit, right?
Okay.
Resource, AWS underscore VPC. There underscore my underscore VPC. Got it or not? My underscore VPC. And now quickly respond, my mother. I'm expecting from you.
Yeah.
You need to remember whenever if you think about VPC blind notation, I'm telling my CADR block is mandatory.
ADS.
Yeah, good. CADR block is mandatory. We're considering 78.90.0.0 by 16. Let me ask why you took 78, 90, whatever you can take from in between 1 to 254. In between 1 to 254 for first one, 151 to 254 for second one. In the same way, like that, we can mention. There, what you want to write it here, TAG, stacks is equal. Stacks is equal. What is the name of that? Quickly tell me. Name is equal to maybe my underscore. That is your wish. Again, I am closing this. Again, I am closing this because of this
Double
is
quotation.
over. I am missing anywhere missing. Anywhere missing.
AWS.
Yeah, here.
IVPC underscore.
Yeah, good, good.
Here.
Yeah, catch. Thank you. Now, in the same way, we are going for subnet now. Subnet. How to create a subnet? How to create a subnet? Their notepad. Their notepad. Maybe subnet dot subnet.tf. Quickly respond how to create a subnet. Anyone? I think Srinath. How to create a subnet? Resource RESO. You are say resource. There AWS underscore subnet.
Subnet.
Subnet. That double quotation my underscore subnet. Whatever it
Subnet.
is good.
Yes.
Now quickly respond. Maybe
VPC hyphen ID.
yeah. VPC
VPC ID.
underscore ID is equal to, now tell me double quotation,
Double quotation.
AWS
VPC ID.
underscore VPC
VPC ID.
dot my underscore VPC dot ID. Are you agree with me? Now tell me
Yeah.
CADR underscore.
CADR block.
Yeah, good.
Yes.
But which block I use? What which number I use? I think 78 dot, right?
Yes.
90 dot. I hope 90 dot. 1.0 by 24 by 20. Now what next? TAGS is equal to curly
Tags.
brace name.
Name.
Only one tag I am able to create or multiple tags am I able to create? Name is equal to my underscore. So here line notation, Madhu, tell me here S is there or not? Tags. Tags means plural or singular? Tags means plural. Plural
Yes,
means we can able to create
we
more
can.
than one. See,
Yes,
I may call Madhu, I may call Vani, I may call Madhuvani, maybe like that. We can give multiple things. See, this subnet belongs to which environment? Dev environment. I may mention here env is equal
Envy.
to dev. Like that I can mention. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. This one also I am close. Now check it. Yes, this is the industry standard. I may go for first Terraform. First Terraform. FORM init. You must initialize. Any problem? No Terraform? A spelling mistake. Check it. Terraform. I given from FROM. 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 What is the problem? TRRAFORM.
FORM. FORM.
Now Terraform correct only, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Good. Actually, I provide the message class at 7, right? Actually, I want to go to village, but here I'm not going. First, I'm taking the class, then I want to go. For that, I'm again restarted at 5. Now, good. Terraform FMT. This is the right process. See, now three files got properly indented. Properly indented. Now we go for Terraform plan. See, somewhere I said if I apply Terraform plan, which file got created? Anyone can quickly tell me? Hyphen out is equal to just I may go for plan. Just I may go for plan dot out. Plan dot. What does it mean? One plan file got created. See, to perform exactly these actions, run the following commands to apply. What to do? Terraform apply. After that, you need to go for plan dot. This is the exact plan. This is the exact plan. See, if you want to construct a building in Tirupati, if you consult one engineer, he may give one plan. Are you agree with me? 100% you may follow 100% plan. Sometimes you may follow. Sometimes what you may do? You may do small changes, right? Yes or no? But good thing is you need to follow the plan. But as an Indian, our maybe land maybe what is that? More land is there. We may adjust. We may adjust. In the same way, here we are not adjusting. We got created plan. See, once plan got created, what happened? That plan file got created explicitly. Is it clear for you? This plan contain plain text or binary content. Anyone already I explained multiple times. This plan that out contain plain text or maybe binary content.
Binary content.
Binary content. You can't able to see. Even if you want to see it notepad plan. See, you can't able to read. You can see it. You can't able to read. See, just like Chinese, look like Chinese language is there. Even I don't know Chinese language. I am guessing like that. Close this now. See, till now, terraform.state file got this is the entire question. When terraform.tf state will be created? When it will create? At least guess it, anyone?
After apply.
You go for
Terraform
Terraform.
apply.
See, answer is after Terraform apply. After Terraform apply, then only terraform.tf state file will be created. Answer is clear, right? Answer is clear, right? when terraform.tf state file got created after terraform apply. Now I'm going to apply. Now I'm going to apply. See, you may apply their terraform, apply. You want to apply plan or else you may press enter. If you press enter, internally this is the meaning. Which content is there in apply plan already there. Whatever the plan is there, that plan only it will construct. That plan only it will construct. Shall I go for Terraform apply? It is asking confirmation. It is asking confirmation. Why my cursor is not there? Terraform app ly apply, press enter. Now the cursor is here. Check it. Is it asking? Yes. Why system is showing 2 to add? Anyone can guess me? Yes, and tell me. Why system is showing 2 to add? Why it is not showing 1 to add? How many resources are able to creating? One is for VPC, second one is for subnet. I'm asking to you, provider is also there, right? Why it is not showing 3? Why it is showing only 2? You may tell the answer. How many resource blocks are there? At least observe and tell me. How many resource blocks got created from me? How many resource blocks I got provided?
Two.
Two only. One for VPC,
It is
another
one for
for subnet. Everybody know. Is it clear for you? Once if I give confirmation, what happens upstairs? System will generate or something goes wrong. Something resource AWS subnet, my subnet, resource AWS subnet. What it is showing does not exist. Which is does not exist. My VPC. Ma, our name is correct or not? Check it and tell me. Our name was correct. Not bad. Not bad. Main dot. What is that? Subnet. Not bad subnet. See, check it. Their ID AWS underscore VPC. I think. Am I given proper convention? Yes or no? Proper convention. Yes or no? VPC underscore ID. Just close this. No. Rerun. Terraform. Terraform. Plan. Terraform plan. Terraform apply. Terraform apply. Terraform apply. Giving yes, it may or not. Yes, everything is fine. Now, what happens? That is important. See, somewhere check it terraform.tfstate, terraform.tfstate.backup. Shall we go and try to open both files? What it is having? Control C, notepad control. Check it. See, this is the human readable format, yes or no? This file is in JSON format or XML format or maybe YAML format. Just observe and tell me. This file content will be which format? A, B, C, assume. A will be XML, B will be JSON, what is C will be YAML. Which format it will be? Is it showing which format?
Jason.
Yeah, answer is JSON. Madhu, you may ask me, sir, how can I recognize is it JSON or not? Ma, observe, flower bracket and square bracket was there or not? Flower bracket and square bracket and column. Wherever, whenever square bracket and flower bracket and colon is there, those files will be JSON files. Those files will be JSON files. One more blind notation, key value. Key must be having double quotation. Value also may be having double quotation. Are you agree with me? See, mode managed, type AWS subnet, name my subnet. Both areas having double quotations, right? Yes or no? Key and value should be enclosed with double quotations and separated by commas. And separated by commas. Yes or no? Is it easy to remember? I hope yes. Now, yes. Now we are moving to which got created. This is in the same way you want to know what backup file contain. What backup file contain. Now notepad. Now notepad. Now or else up arrow dot backup dot back. See, same thing is there or a different thing is there. Observe and tell me. Anyone? Am I audible?
Yeah, audible. Same thing.
Yeah.
JSON
Same.
format.
No, unfortunately, maybe TF state file got corrupted. Maybe destroyed. At least backup is there, right? From backup, we can able to create terraform.tf state. They may provide one safe copy. That safe copy is nothing but backup file. This is one of the powerful things. Good to go. Now, what I'm trying to explain is terraform dot statement. Terraform, terraform state, yes, state hyphen hyphen help. Check it here. So today you need to understand 2, 4, 6, 7 commands. 7 commands. Very simple way to understand list. What is the meaning of list? Even if you want to go, if you want to travel, you may apply train ticket. There they may provide chart list, right? Chart list. In the same way, a list resources in the state. In our Terraform configuration, how many resources we got created already, right? Anyone tell me how many resources you got created? Two, right? Are you agree with me? One is the VPC, second one is what? Second one is
Subnet.
see. Yeah, see. This is the happiest thing. See, you don't know someone got Srinath Garu. You executed your resource files. I want to see whatever you executed. I want to know. I'm very crazy. I'm very maybe what one word is there. I'm very
Anxiety.
enthusiastic. Anxiety. Wow, which resource? Maybe some people may feel right. I may ask you, Snehat Garu, what you did for 2 hours? I am learning Terraform only. I am executing multiple things. I want to see. I may ask you, please apply Terraform state list. Finally, I know, right? Till now, what you understood or what you created, two resources got created. Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Yes or no? Now you may ask me why you need to go for MV. Move. What is the meaning of move? Terraform state MV. MV. Now observe and tell me. I'm taking subnet for easy understanding. Subnet and easy understanding. I want to change the. I want to change the naming convention. Control V. Terraform state MV, this is the original resource. I want to convert into another name. And now tell me, here subnet is there, here, maybe I make you public subnet. Public subnet. I'm trying to give, what is that? Public subnet. This is my intention. Shall I go with this? Yes or no?
Yeah.
This is the
Yes.
actual. This is the expected. This is the actual. This is the expected. Yes. See, once it is converted, you need to do two things. Please observe carefully. Unfortunately, if I go for like this, don't go, but I am trying to show you. Terraform, Terraform plan, Terraform plan. What happens? See again what it is asking, one to add, zero to change, one to destroy. Why it is showing one to add, why it is showing one to destroy? Something modified, right? Something modified. Everybody understood, right?
Yes.
Manually we modified, intentionally we modified. But Srinathar, even though I modified, I don't want to get one to add, I don't want to get one to destroy, zero to add, zero to change, zero to destroy, only I want to get it. For that, what to do? Please observe carefully. I may open Terraform. I may open Terraform, Terraform dot, Terraform dot tf state. TF state. This is very, very important thing, powerful thing. Where is the file? Spelling mistake? Check it. TERRAFORM TF state. Anything problem? Top level commands run to see. Any spelling mistake? No, notepad. I need to go for notepad terraform dot tf state. Now quickly observe something you modified, right? That modified content will be appearing here. Is it appearing or not? Check it and tell me. My public subnet. Which name we have provided? Please observe here. Actually, what is the name? My
Subnet.
no, no, no.
Only subnet was
Actually,
there. That was changed to my
my
subnet.
good. Control C Srinathkar. Like this, you will go and identify.
Okay.
Yes, we identified. What to do? Just close this. Here, open subnet code. You know how to open subnet code, right? Notepad. That name is subnet, right? Or else you go for DR. Easily understand. Notepad. Notepad. That is a subnet code. Subnet. In subnet, what is the name of this? Wherever my subnet is there, there only I change it to which one? Please observe. Which one?
Pub sub.
This one.
My
Is it
pub sub.
modified or not?
Yes.
Is it modified? See, whenever if you move, that moved modifications where it will be applied automatically on terraform.tf state file. System is modifying within the terraform.tf state file. Step one is clear. Step two, what to do? First, you need to open terraform.tf state file. You need to identify which one is modified. That modified code you need to replace within the Terraform configuration. Where we are modifying within the configuration. Once you modified, now try to apply once again Terraform plan. What happens? Observe. Terraform, Terraform plan. Now check it what happened. Now check it what happened. Now, this is the thing you need to understand. Now, read it. No changes after that. Your infrastructure matches
That is the
the
config.
configuration. This is the best practice. Even you are having 2 plus or 4 plus years of experience only, you may have such knowledge, whether you are having or not. Everybody understood, right? You no need to go and work on any one company because of learning this. No. My intention is if you're having such knowledge, then only you can easily understand. Here, without knowledge, also you can understand because of we're going in that way. Is it clear for you? Now, go. Now, Terraform state, help. What was the problem? I applied Terraform state, right? Yeah, so Terraform, what was the problem? I applied Notepad, right? Terraform state help. Now, how many have we finished? List we know, MV we know, MV we know. See, stick full means pulling, right? In Docker also, you know. I think Madhuvani, what is the use of Docker pull command? What is the use of Docker pull? What Kishore? What is the use of Docker pull command? It is pulling the specified image, Docker images. You want to pull. See, Docker search is there, Docker pull is there, Docker run is there. Docker search means image searching. Docker pull means image pulling. Docker run means creating an image into container. Creating a container from an image. Everybody agree with me? Creating container from an image. In the same way, I am trying to apply only see Terraform state full what it is doing. Observe. Snaggar, whatever the state file contain, your notepad terraform.tf state file, right? Such file content is showing here. One more thing I am trying to show you advantage. Terraform stateful, terraform stateful greater than 3 dot tf state. See, I am pulling and storing into one file. Yes. Just like a terraform.tf state, just like one more backup I got created. Is it good, right?
Yes.
Current information, the latest information, cloud resource information, I'm pulling and storing into somewhere else. Good. Terraform state help. What is the fourth one? Read anyone? Replace provider. Replace provider. Which provider am I using in our Terraform code? Madhu, you tell me. Which provider am I using? Now I'm opening.
AWS.
Yeah, very good, man. Notepad, provider data. See, here provider name is AWS. I don't want AWS. I want a random provider. There are multiple providers are there. Azure is there, GCP is there. Like that, I want to use random provider. Now, what to do? Observe here. Now, Terraform state state replace provider PROVA provider. What is the existing provider name? AWS. What is the new provider name? Random. Now check it. See, tilde symbol is there, minus symbol is there, plus symbol is there. Somewhere I explained, right? What does it mean? You only tell me, Mamadu. Just observe it and tell me. Read that sentences, you can easily understand. Tilde representing updating.
Updating.
Updating means modification, right?
Yes, sir. Changes.
See, wherever AWS is there, that one I am removing, that one I am removing. Wherever I removed, there I am adding random. Is it simple, right?
Yes.
This is the new one, this is the old one removed. Those things happening, that's why updating. Now, quickly go for yes. Yes means confirmation accepted. Now I'm trying to open Notepad provider, check it what happening. Now it is not showing anything internally where it is available in the sense terraform.tf state file. Check it notepad, terraform.tf state. Check it somewhere wherever the provider information is there. Now observe and tell me if you want to know. Control F, control F. I'm going for random random. See, have you recognized it, right? Random, have you recognized it or not?
Yes.
Yes. Really, if you want it. But rarely we can go with. Again, I am modifying because of we want to see multiple things. This is one of the command, but this is the procedure we need to use. As a professional also, we never use maybe another. But when do you use? You may ask me. This is the one of the question. Suppose migration. You are working on AWS. You want to move to GCP. See, GCP, if you want to move from AWS to GCP related provider is required, right? At the time you go for that one. AWS. Good to go. Everything is fine. Again, it is converting into AWS. Now we are going for Terraform state. Help. What is the fifth one? I think sixth one, right? Pull, pull user or not. See, push update remote state from a. Today I may not apply push. Today it may not work. It may not work. That's why I'm leaving. I'll explain another way when to push, where to push. Now, what is that? RM. Generally, meaning of RM in Linux also RM hyphen RF. Everybody know it, right? RM hyphen RF. Simply RM. What happens if I use RM? What happens if you use RM?
Remote.
Remove instances from the state. Instances means easy to instance? No. That resource information will be removed. See, I am trying to show you first Terraform state list. Terraform state list. See, 100 resources are there. Among 100, I don't want one specific resource. I don't want one specific. Which one I don't want? This subnet I don't want. Assume here 100 resources are there. Control C, their Terraform state RM. Which resources you don't want? That specific resource you don't want. It is removed from the Terraform state file. That's all. It is removed from the Terraform state file. Now you may ask me a question. This is the also interview question. If I apply Terraform state remove, okay, it is removed from the TF state file. If it remove from the TF state file, what happens? This Terraform under the preview of Terraform, simply it is converting into non-Terraform resource. Non-Terraform resource. Which is non-Terraform resource? Please respond. This public subnet is there, right? Now our Terraform code cannot touch. Our Terraform code cannot touch. Srinath, are understanding or not? Generally, with the Terraform configuration, we created resource, right? Now,
Yes.
if you apply Terraform destroy, that public subnet will not destroyable. That public subnet, I may try to apply Terraform destroy. You may understand. Terraform destroy what happens. Now check it. How many resources are able to destroy? One or two. You may easily understand. See how generally how many I got created. Anyone can tell me. Generally how many resources I got created actually? Two, right? One is
Two.
VPC, another one is subnet.
Yes.
Must manually, explicitly, wantedly, I got deleted. I got removed. Subnet. That's why Terraform configuration cannot touch which one? Which one? That subnet. Why it is not touching? You need to understand. If terraform.tf state file having whatever the content is it is having, then only that content only will be removed. Other content will not. The simple answer, non-terraform format. From terraform to non-terraform format, it is converted. When it is converted, if you apply terraform state RM. I hope everyone understood, right? I am applying no. I am applying no. What to do? See, okay, it is removed. It is removed. Once again, I want to do. Once again, I want to get. Same thing I want to get ma. Which under the preview of again non-terraform resource wants to convert it into terraform format. Terraform format. I need to go for small thing. Please observe what to do here. Just again notepad. Notepad. I may go for maybe one more file. What is the file name? There, see, notepad subnet, right? Notepad subnet already name is there or not there? I think notepad subnet. Sridhar, carefully observe. Where is the notepad? Spelling mistake. This is the notepad. See, this code will not work, Srinath garu. This code will not work. This code will not work. First you remove this code. Even this one also, first you remove it, you can easily understand. This one also you remove it. Now import, open curly brace, closing curly brace. Now it is 2 TO2 is equal to. Which one you removed actually, right? Which one you removed? Quickly respond. Which resource have you removed? AWS underscore subnet Dot. Which resource have you removed? Quickly respond. What is the name of that? My
My
VPC underscore public underscore subnet. Are you agree with me? Yes or no? I may show you. Don't worry. I'm going there. Actually we know it. I am writing, but in real time we don't know. Someone else created, right? How to get it? Check it. How to get it? Check it. I'm going to my account. I'm going to my account. That is the real cloud resource. I'm entering into real cloud resource we are converting non-terraform into terraform format. There I may go for VPC. VPC within the VPC, you may go for subnets, right? Which subnet? I think 78.90 related thing. That stuff. I think. Check it somewhere. What is the stuff? My VPC somewhere public subnet is that. Check it. My VPC subnet. My VPC public. We written local name is my VPC public, but name is my VPC subnet. See the CADR block, ma. Based on the CADR block, tell me, ma. What is the CADR block? I think first one, right? Yes or no? Srinath garu?
first one is
78.19. First one. Good. The name is what? My subnet. What was the name? My subnet.
Yes.
This is the tag name, Srinath garu. This is not the
Yeah.
local name. This is the tag name. You got it. Now try to take subnet ID. Try to take subnet ID. I may copy. Click on here. Subnet ID. Copy. In a copied subnet ID is the local name. Leave it. Their ID is equal to ID is equal to their double quotation control V. Good to go. So this is the thing. Now close this. Yes. Simply what to do? You may go for Terraform. Terraform plan your duties. Once you apply Terraform plan, it provides one more command. Please read the last line. Terraform plan generate config out.
Config.
First, you need to run this. You need to run this. Copy this and paste it. Once you run it, it will download from now something error missing required argument, which is missing now. Source code not available. Now my underscore VPC. Oh, I given very lengthy name, right? I think it is expecting like this. It is expecting like this. Notepad subnet.tf. It is local name is not there. What they are expecting. Their what is the name? My subnet or something? What was the name is there? My underscore. I think subnet only. Now I'm opening. Now check it here. This is the name I'm expecting. I'm asking. To subnets. What is the name? My VPC subnet. My underscore VPC subnet. My underscore VPC underscore subnet. Yes. To ID. Yes. Everything is fine. Save it. I'm trying to rerun this. Trying to rerun this. Now go to Terraform plan. Again rerun. What was the thing happen? What was the thing happen? Missing required argument. It is giving what it is giving error enable with AWS subnet, my VPC, public subnet, my customer owned IP on launch false. Map customer owned IP on launch, all of customer owned IPv4 protocol, map customer owned ID must be specified. Must be specified. You need to specify some other. What in availability zone conflicts with availability zone ID, IP South 1A, even it is expecting some other thing. It is expecting. They are destroyed. Okay, we removed only, right? Missing required. Which argument is missing? Paro, terraform. Need to go for generated. Let me go this. Terraform generated file already. Okay, exist. Now what to do? Now this is the problem. Del generated. Now I may go and run it. Now what it is showing, source code not available. Which source code is not available? AWS subnet dot myvpc subnet. Myvpc subnet. What was the problem? There del generated dot pf. Leave it. Okay, now what to do? I'm going to my subnet. I want to get subnet related stuff. Subnet, this is the okay ID. ID I got it properly. This one only, right? This one only, right? No, no. These are changed or not? Please observe. This is the actual ID, right? This one only I copied or different one? This is the ID. This is the ID. What is the name? What was the name? What was the name? My naming convention is good only, right? Your name is Singh. There, any name is there? Any name is there? Okay, I am not wrong. I'll go for 1 second. Sir, I'll go for open Terraform Notepad subnet. My ID is correct only, right? Everybody understanding? My ID is control B. Yes, I am not wrong. AWS underscore subnet dot my underscore VPC underscore subnet. My underscore VPC underscore subnet. Close this. Save it. Now go for Terraform generated Terraform plan. I may try this way. Or else if today may not work, maybe I may apply tomorrow. Another way. Another way with AWS subnet, my VPC subnet. Line 12. Source code not available. Source code not available. Okay, I understood. Source code not available. Which source code? Enable LNI, enable at a device index must not be 0, got 0, must not be 0, got 0. It won't give error. Okay, I'll go manage this. Notepad generated. Actually, data got it. Notepad generated. See, stuff is created or not. This is the subnet related stuff. Are you observing? Subnet related stuff. Are you observing or not? System generated this one. Even, my underscore subnet, even environment. What is the environment? Anyone can guess it? Dev only, right? Dev only we provided. Now, what is the thing you need to understand is, that is giving some extra points, that is giving some extra point as a professional, as a person. This one is not required. This one is not required. Leave it. And this one is not required. See, these things are not required. Leave it. Maybe these are the default things. Now I am trying to control yes. I am going to apply. Now generated, right? Now what I am trying to apply is, now see Terraform apply. Terraform apply. Terraform TRRAF. Terraform APP. What happening? What is the problem? TERRA. Terraform APP. Terraform apply. See map customer owned IP on launch false. That line I need to remove. Map customer owned IP on launch. Map customer IP. Map customer IP. Where is that map? This one. Yes, I am removing. Wherever error is there, that one you try to remove. That is not a problem. Now terraform apply. What is spelling mistake? Terraform apply. Again, one more thing. Availability zone ID. Availability zone ID. That one also you need to notepad generated. Availability zone ID. This is not required. Not required means it is not recognized, and that's all. Now I may go for this many modifications not requirement PERRA. But here it is expecting for the time. Now Srinath gar observe. Finally, we got succeeded, right? This is important thing. See, want to import where it is importing from actual Terraform cloud, right? From what the AWS cloud, from AWS cloud to converting into Terraform format. Terraform form. Now final conclusion. Maybe I may give yes. After that, what I may do, observe carefully. What I may do, Terraform, apply already did right. After doing this DIR, simply observe. Notepad, 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 notepad generated. This one you need to control A, control X. Now close this. Do it here, save it, no problem. Now open subnet code mark, open subnet file. Somewhere subnet is there. See, Srinath Garu, you need to paste it here. This is the
Yes.
code generated by Terraform. Once it is okay, you need to delete. Which one you need to delete? Del generated. That's all. From hereafter, it will work fine. It will work fine. Terraform. Terraform apply. Again, see 000. 000 means everything is fine. Now, from hereafter, the subnet and AWS subnet both are communicating with each other. Both are communicating with each other. What is the last? I think it may miss one option. Terraform state hyphen help. See the last one. Show. What is the advantage of show? Now observe carefully. Terraform show. Now Terraform state list. First I am giving state list. I am giving. See, I want to see that specific resource information. That specific resource information. Control C. See Terraform state show there. Paste it and enter it. See only the specific resource information. Resource information. Is it available or not? In the same way, you may go for VP session. VPC. What is the name of the VPC? AWS underscore VPC dot my VPC. I think I'm not wrong. Now check it. That VPC related stuff. See, this is what, this is the, which code this is. HashiCorp, that is the configuration data, configuration format data, where it is available actually. This is the state file information, this is the state file, but there is no colons observed. There is no colons. This is the actual Terraform configuration front-end. Terraform configuration front-end. Is it clear for you? Okay, thank you. Remaining things we'll discuss tomorrow morning.